My name is James Webb. I'm the owner of Mad Dogs Englishmen dog walking. 12 years ago, we started the business on a very small scale in Neutral Bay. Me and my wife, we had one suitcase each and $5,000. We said, what do we like doing? We like walking dogs. From that, we've turned that into a 7-figure turnover business. We picked up a lot of business and we got a lot of traction right at the beginning. As the business developed up to more than we could handle, sort of 80, 90 dogs a day, we didn't want to lose the personal touch that we had with the dogs. You have to know the dogs, you have to understand them. Each dog's got its own character and you can't know 500 different dogs every day. I saw an opportunity there that yes, you can scale it, you can have one franchise, why can't you have more? The reason that we are as busy as we are is our reputation. Most of our new clients come through referrals. We've never cancelled a walk. In fact, I've cancelled one walk, which was when my wife went into labour at the start of the walk, but that aside. As the business grew, there was no one really to go to for advice in terms of mentoring. There was a bit of trial and error, and we did learn sometimes from mistakes. We have 14 franchises. Probably the most important thing in terms of maintaining the standards, which is my biggest hurdle, is not being afraid to not sell a franchise to the wrong person. And if I get the right person, I'll support them, I'll help them, I will put more money in to the business than they will be putting in, certainly in that first year. The reporting system that we use now, QuickBooks, we have confidence. Everything we put in there we know is correct. We have one system where I can check in on what all of the franchisees are doing and I can see how everything's going. The reaction you get when you turn up to a dog's house is more excitement than you would ever see in a human in an entire year. The passion is what's built the business, the idea of doing what we want. I'm down at the park with the dogs because I want to be.